that's these dots up here are. That's kind of where that indicator comes from. Excuse me. Or that's how it part of its function is it's kind of catching those. Yeah, for the most part. So yeah. Oh, a buddy of mine, he's a 5 second trader, trades 5 second charts. He actually made this indicator to catch these moves. So these there's green and there's red ones. Those are the high quality ones, and then there's these ones that I set that are more risky, and it catches that move. And some people call this the market maker close model. So that's what these moves are designed to catch. And there's one right here, and I just took a screenshot of where this area here, this gray area, lines up with. And you can kind of see where the top is. Taps into this high liquidity blue candle here and some other fair value gaps. So that's what these signals are looking for. And I'll just zoom out a little bit more so that you can get a bigger picture. It's another cup-shaped formation, except it's on a huge scale. So it comes down, comes back up, and then it swings back down. So it's really interesting how those moves happen all the time. That's why this indicator works great. And so this is the 5 minute. And then if you switch over to like the 4 minute, for example, it'll give you different signals like this one here. Catches that really nicely. 3 minute. 3 minutes, got some risky ones, but if you get the signal, you jump on your charts and you see this, you'd think that's a good signal. It catches a little tiny move right here. Yeah, for the pump up. So even though it's a more risky signal, it's still viable. Here's the 2 minute. You get a buy signal down here. I'll just hide these. Get a buy signal here, drops a little bit lower. Because if you're at this point here, you look over, it's playing off of this spot here. But it's not really a valid signal because you'd be saying to yourself that it does want to come down more and actually close. Right here, it's not closed all the way, so you'd want to be waiting on those type of signals. So it's the 2 minute, 1 minute. Where are we here? Lost my place. Yeah, so here's the 1 minute. So closes here. Here's another one that's a little bit early. You'd want to wait for that. Closes down here a little bit better. But yeah, they've all got their own signals. 6 minute, like there's a nice one, catches the bottom. This one caught the bottom, but they're not the high quality ones, but still if you see that. 7 minute, here's the 8 minute. 8 minute catches like a perfect one right off the very top. So another one catches this like gravy. This one, I'm not sure what's happening on the left there, but here's the 10 minute. So yeah, anyhow, we'll leave that for video for today, guys. Cheers. Any questions, comments, let me know. Here to help, guys. All right, peace.